Can I look at you now?
Nope.
It's killing me. I want to see.
Now, baby, when you sigh, I wanna sigh with you. When you cry, I wanna cry some too. Now, ain't that love? Oh, ain't that love that I feel in my heart for you? When your friends turn their back on you, I'll be here just to see you through. Now, ain't that love? Ain't that love? Ain't that love? Ain't that love, baby, that I feel in my heart for you? Now when you walk, I wanna walk with you. When you talk, wanna talk some too. Now ain't that love? Oh, ain't that love that I feel in my heart for you? If you ever need a friend, I'll be with you. Yes, until the end. Now ain't that love? Ain't that love? Don't you know, baby, don't you know? Ain't that love, baby, that I feel in my heart for you? Baby, won't you let me?
Haley, in typical Jacob fashion, these words were written and finalized on Thursday. Though they are last minute, it changes nothing about how I feel about you and what we're about to do. Haley, through all of your faults and all of your greatness, I love you.
Jacob, a few years ago we found one another again after almost a decade. It took us 10 years and over 5,000 miles to get here, but God obviously had a plan.
I vow to be there for you when times are tough. I vow to facilitate your dreams no matter what.
Jacob, I take you to be my husband, to hold, to cherish, and to love, on our best days and our worst, and every ordinary day in between.
Oh, that I feel in my heart.
I now pronounce you legally married. For the first time, you may kiss your wife.
Hell yes.
Let me tell you about a girl who know. She is my baby and she lives next door. Every morning before the sun comes up, she brings my coffee in my favorite cup. That's why I know, yes I know, hallelujah, I just love her so.
Now, Jacob, I feel that you're perfect for Haley. I'm so happy for the couple to start this awesome, cool journey together.
And let's all raise a glass to Jacob and Haley. Cheers, everybody.
Oh, I know, hallelujah, I just love her so. Now if I call her on the telephone and tell her that I'm all alone, by the time I count from 1 to 4, I hear her on my door. In the evening when the sun goes down, when there is nobody else around, she kisses me and she holds me tight and tells me, Daddy, everything's alright. So I know, yes I know, hallelujah, I just love her so.
Ladies and gentlemen, to the bride, magnificent on this splendid evening. May she always know how much we love her. And now to Jacob, never lose your values, stand up for the day. Good luck, Godspeed, we love you. The bride and groom.
Call her on the telephone and tell her that I'm all alone. By the time I count from 1 to 4, I hear her on my door. In the evening when the sun goes down, when there is nobody else around, she kisses squeezes me and she holds me tight and tells me that everything's alright. That's why I know, yes I know, hallelujah, I just love her. Oh, hallelujah. Don't you know I just love her so. She's my little woman way across town. Babe, I'm a little fool for you, little girl. Mm-hmm.